there's this psychological stage which is reached by the children when they're very small, where they try to destroy insects and different things like this. Should we prevent them from doing that, or should we let them do so?
To destroy anything, whether insects or furniture, is bad. So this destructive habit has nothing to do with any vengeance against life. The children become over-excited and far too full-blooded. With the result that the blood surges to their heads, and they want to do something, really destructive. But not consciously that this is destruction. They don't know the values of these things. So as long as the values are not bred into them, they will continue to do so. The little child of Mona has that tendency, He has destroyed some very precious articles of our house, and he enjoys so much, picks up something and throws it, and then shatters. And I say, look, what beautiful noise is created. How the pieces are shattered and scattered. Now, this is their value to him. So unless we change his values, just by ordering him, don't do it, don't do that, he will not understand anything, and it will not help him develop his personality. So whenever my daughter, caring for me that she comes to my house and my beautiful things are destroyed, is harsh on the boy, I always stop her. I say, let me handle. So gradually I tell him that this is beautiful, this is better intact than shattered, and so on and so forth. So gradually he's getting rid of these habits. So I think it's very important how you bring up your children. If you bring them up with a purpose and intention, and take measures to improve the quality of his life, rather than just suppressing him, there is a much better approach than to tell him not to do this, not to do that. Then whenever you're absent, he may do it. And he may also begin to tell lies. I didn't do it. I've seen many children who are not properly brought up who behave like this. So instead of removing one evil from him, you add one more evil to his character. So it's a very delicate affair to bring up children and to take care of how they're developed. So I'm glad, alhamdulillah, that right from my childhood, right from my early age, I have been taking care of children like this. To begin with, I treated other children like this, then my own daughters were born, and I always took very special care not to suppress their feelings, but to improve the quality of their life by giving them more values. So I think that should be the answer, right?